Air Camp is a summer STEM camp focused mostly on aviation, where kids get to have a lot of hands-on experiences, visit a lot of
When do you know that you have twisted enough?
places, and see a lot of things that not everyone gets to see.
Today we have 44 students, and they're here on our Wright State campus because they're looking at healthcare in relation to aviation. We have scheduled for them to do is several different activities.
So one of you guys go ahead and try to slide it on.
One of which is Stop the Bleed, which is an important program that is nationwide, and this is learning how to stop a bleed in any type of situation.
It's fun, so it doesn't feel like you're doing work, even though you're learning a lot.
B stands for what? Here today they are experiencing working with a human patient simulator, and they're using all of their assessment skills, much like a nurse, but in the realm of also a person that's also in aviation too.
We just looked at a lot of different fields that relate to aviation that not everyone thinks of when they think of flying, because aviation involves a lot more than just pilots.
Right now, we are making rockets. Our goal is to shoot it as high as we can.
How are you going to pack it?
I'm just hoping that students develop some new passions and some new interests that can carry them through into college.
Big hole, lots of bleeding.
And just to give them an opportunity to see what Wright State has and all the opportunities that we can offer our students, and hopefully they'll choose Wright State.
You're going to hold that until help arrives. Absolutely.